Hey guys, today I'm going to compare Oppo A7 and Vivo Z1 Lite. Let's see the difference in display. You can see here both have a 6.2-inch display, but here's little difference in resolution. Oppo A7 has HD plus display and other side Vivo Z1 Lite has full HD plus display. Let's talk about the RAM and storage. Oppo A7 has two options in RAM, 3 and 4 GB, and other two options in storage, 32 and 64 GB, and Vivo Z1 Lite has 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. If we talk about the front camera, both have a same 16 megapixel front camera, but Oppo A7 has water drop notch. Now see the difference in rear cameras. Oppo A7 has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera, and other side Z1 Lite has 16 MP plus 2 MP dual rear camera. Now next about processor. Oppo A7 has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 450 chipset, and other side Z1 Lite has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 626 chipset. Guys, if we talk about other specification, both have Android 8.1 Oreo and 4G. Now talk about the GPU, it's same Adreno 506, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back, as well as you will get dual SIM. And now talk about the battery. Oppo A7 has 4230 mAh non-movable battery, and Z1 Lite has 3260 mAh non-movable battery. Now talk about the price. Oppo A7 has $230 in US dollar and 16,500 in India rupees. Z1 Lite has 160 in US dollar and 11,500 in India rupees. Thanks guys watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.